Hello students. Today we cover the Geography Chapter Agriculture CBSE Class 10. Primitive subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced on small patches of land. Primitive tools and family/community labor are used in this type of farming. The farming mainly depends on monsoon and natural fertility of soil. Crops are grown as per the suitability of the environmental condition. This is also called slash-and-burn agriculture. A patch of land is cleared by slashing the vegetation and then the slashed plants are burnt. The ash, thus obtained, is mixed with the soil and crops are grown. This type of farming produces just enough crops to sustain the family. After a couple of seasons, the patch is left fallow and a new patch of land is prepared for farming. This allows the earlier patch of land to replenish its fertility through the natural process. Although there are different names for slash-and-burn farming in different regions of India, the name yam cultivation or yaming is commonly used in this context. The following table shows various names for slash-and-burn farming in different countries. This type of farming is practiced in densely populated areas. This involves high degree of use of biochemical inputs and irrigation. There is huge pressure of population on this type of farming. Problems of intensive farming. Division of land through successive generation leads to plot size getting smaller and smaller. This makes it impossible to properly manage the farm inputs. Moreover, large-scale farming is not possible in that case. This type of farming is done with the sole purpose of selling the farm produce. Various modern inputs are used in this type of farming, e.g. HYV, high-yielding variety, seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides, and pesticides. Punjab, Haryana, Western Up and some parts of Maharashtra are the areas where commercial farming is done on large scale. However, this type of farming is also done in many other states, like Bihar, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, etc. In this type of farming, a single crop is grown on a large area. Plantation requires intensive capital and a large number of workers. Most of the produce from a plantation is used in various industries. Tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc. are important plantation crops. Tea is mainly produced in the tea gardens of Assam and North Bengal, coffee is produced in Tamil Nadu, and banana is produced in Bihar and Maharashtra. Plantation requires a well-developed network of transport and communication, processing industries, and a good market. India has 3 cropping seasons: Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid. Rabi crops are also known as winter crops. They are sown from October to December and harvested from April to June. Wheat, barley, pea, gram, and mustard are the important Rabi crops. Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, and Uttar Pradesh are the important producers of Rabi crops. Kharif crops are also known as summer crops. They are sown at the beginning of monsoon and harvested in September-October. Paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, tur, mung, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut and soybean are important Kharif crops. Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar are important rice-growing states. In Assam, West Bengal, and Orissa, 3 crops of paddy are grown in a year. These are called Aus, Aman, and Burro. Zaid. The Zaid season falls in between the Rabi and Kharif seasons. Watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables, and fodder crops are some of the crops grown in this season. Sugarcane is planted in this season but takes almost a year to grow. Rice. India is the second largest producer of rice, after China. It requires high temperature, above 25 degrees Celsius, high humidity, and annual rainfall above 100 centimeters. However, it can be grown with the help of suitable irrigation in areas of less rainfall. Rice is grown in the northern plains, northeast India, coastal areas, and deltaic regions. Nowadays, rice is also grown in Punjab, Haryana, western Uttar Pradesh and in parts of Rajasthan. This has been possible because of development of a dense network of canals. Wheat is the main food crop in north and northwestern parts of India. Wheat needs 50 to 75 centimeters of annual rainfall, which should be evenly distributed over the growing season. The Ganga-Sutlej plains in the northwest and black soil region of Deccan are the 2 important wheat-growing zones in India. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, and parts of Madhya Pradesh are the important wheat-producing regions. Millets. jowar, bajra, and ragi are the important millets grown in India. Millets are known as coarse grains, but they have very high nutritional value. Jowar, Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar, followed by Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Jowar grows in moist areas and hardly needs irrigation. Bajra grows well on sandy soil and shallow black soil. Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra, followed by Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Haryana. Ragi grows in dry regions on red, black, sandy loamy, and shallow black soils. Karnataka is the largest producer of ragi. Maize is used both as food and fodder. It grows well in old alluvial soil and requires a temperature range of 21°-27 degrees C. Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh are the major maize-producing states. Pulses. India is the largest producer of pulses in the world. It is also the largest consumer of pulses. Pulses are usually produced in rotation with other crops. MP, Rajasthan and Karnataka are the major pulse-producing states. Sugarcane needs hot and humid climate. It requires temperature range of 21°-27 degrees C and rainfall of 75 cm to 100 cm. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane, while Brazil is the number one. Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, and Haryana are major sugar-producing states. Oilseeds. India is the largest producer of oilseeds. Groundnut, mustard, coconut, sesame, soybean, castor, cotton seeds, linseed and sunflower are the main oilseeds grown in India. Groundnut accounts for about half of the major oilseeds produced in the country. Andhra Pradesh is the largest producer of groundnut, followed by Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Groundnut is a kharif crop. Linseed and mustard are rabi crops. Sesame is a kharif crop in north and rabi crop in south. Castor is grown both as rabi and kharif crops. Tea plants grow well in tropical and subtropical climates, in deep and fertile well-drained soil. The soil should be rich in humus and organic matter. Tea is a labor-intensive industry. Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala are major tea-producing states. The hills of Darjeeling are famous for the unique quality of tea produced there. India is the leading producer of tea in the world. Coffee is also grown in plantations. Initially, the Arabica variety was brought from Yemen and produced in India. The cultivation of coffee was initially introduced on the Baba Budan Hills. Others. India is a producer of tropical as well as temperate fruits. Mangoes of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and West Bengal, oranges of Nagpur and Cherrapunji, Meghalaya, bananas of Kerala, Mizoram, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu, lychee and guava of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, pineapples of Meghalaya, grapes of Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra, apples, pears, apricots, and walnuts of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are in great demand the world over. Horticulture crops. India is the largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world. India produces about 13% of the world's vegetables. It is an important producer of pea, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal, and potato. Rubber is a crop of equatorial region, but it is also grown tropical and subtropical regions. It needs moist and humid climate with rainfall more than 200 centimeters. A temperature range above 25 degrees Celsius is required for rubber plantation. In India, rubber is mainly grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands and also in the Garo Hills of Meghalaya. India is the fifth largest rubber producer in the world. Cotton. India is the third largest producer of cotton. Cotton grows in dry pats of black cotton soil of the Deccan Plateau. High temperature, light rainfall, or irrigation, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine are required for the growth of cotton. The crop requires 6 to 8 months to mature. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh are the main cotton-producing states. Jute needs well-drained fertile soils of the flood plains. West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Orissa and Meghalaya are the major jute-producing states. Bhutan, Gramdan and land reforms. Land reform was the main focus of the first 5-year plan. Vinoba Bhave started the Bhudan Andolan to encourage big landlords to donate a part of their land to the landless farmers. Many people came out in support of Vinoba Bhave and donated land. Small plot size hampers proper farm management. To improve the condition, the government brought certain measures for land reform. In some states, land was redistributed so that all of the land owned by a farmer could come on a single plot. The reform was successful in some states, like Punjab and UP, but could not be implemented throughout the country, because of poor response by farmers. Green Revolution. Green Revolution was started in the 1960s and 1970s to improve farm output. Use of new technology and HIV seeds was encouraged. Green Revolution produced very good results, especially in Punjab and Haryana. White Revolution. White Revolution, Operation Flood, was initiated to improve milk production in the country. A comprehensive land development program was launched in the 1980s and 1990s. These programs included both institutional and technical reforms. Provision for crop insurance was made against drought, flood, cyclone, fire, and disease. Gramin banks and cooperative societies were opened in rural areas so that farmers could get access to loan facilities. Kisan Credit Card, KCC, Personal Accident Insurance Scheme, PAYS, and many other schemes were introduced for the benefit of farmers. The government-owned radio and TV channels broadcast special weather bulletins and agricultural programs. Government also announced MSP, minimum support price, so that farmers can be saved from exploitation by middlemen. Current scenario, the growth in agricultural sector is going down. Reduction in import duties on agricultural products means that farmers are facing tough competition from international markets. Investment is not coming into agriculture and hence employment opportunities are also showing degrowth in this sector. The share of agriculture in GDP has been declining from 1951 onwards. Yet it continues to be the largest employer. About 63% of the total workforce was employed in agriculture in 2001. A decline in agriculture can be an alarming situation because it has wider implications for the whole economy. Government is making continuous efforts to modernize agriculture. ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, agricultural universities, veterinary services, animal breeding centers, horticulture development, R&D in the field of meteorology, etc. are given top priority with an aim to improve Indian agriculture. Government is also taking measures to improve rural infrastructure. In order to ensure food security to all sections of society, the government has carefully designed a national food security system. It has two components. Buffer stock. Once the government procures food grains through FCI, Food Corporation of India, buffer stock is maintained at various locations. This stock is utilized in case of food shortage at any place. This stock is also utilized in case of natural disasters, like flood and drought. Public Distribution System, PDS is a program which provides food grains and other essential commodities at subsidized prices to poor people in rural and urban areas. A person needs to get a ratio card made to avail the benefits of PDS. Separate cards are made for BPL, below poverty line, and APL, above poverty line, families. The PDS is also fed by the FCI. More and more farmers are now shifting towards cultivation of fruits, vegetables, oilseeds and industrial crops. While this is good from a farmer's income perspective, it is dangerous for food security in the country. Impact of globalization on agriculture. Impact of globalization are being felt since historic times. When European traders first came in India, black pepper and spices were the main items of export. During British rule, India became a net exporter of raw materials, especially cotton. Due to high demand of indigo in British textiles industry, the farmers in India were forced to grow indigo. This interfered with cereal production in India. In the modern context, Indian farmers are unable to compete with Western farmers because of very high level of subsidies for farmers in the West. Due to this, demand for Indian farm produce is very low in international market. Moreover, excessive use of synthetic fertilizers, irrigation, etc. has created its own problems, which are evident by falling level of farm production. Too many people are dependent on farmland in India and hence per capita farm production is forecasted to decrease further. Experts suggest that organic farming is the way out of the problem. Thank you. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you understood the lesson. We will once again see you with another lesson. Until then, bye.